Welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. The local currency of the corresponding Layer 2 structure on top of the Ethereum blockchain, Polygon Matic, has reached a new value peak of $2.70. A minor margin separates the token from Shiba Inu, SHIB, which would move the image coin to the 14th position in terms of market valuation. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the two digital currencies listed before are valued at $19.3 billion and $18.7 billion, respectively. Since last week, when the third iteration of the well-known automated market maker on Polygon was sent, the MATIC token has increased in value by 24%. In November, Polygon co-benefactor Mihail Abjelik put out the idea. By sending Uniswap 3 contracts, Center, Fringe, and Staker contracts, to Polygon on December 22, another MATIC rally was sparked, driving the token's price to all-time highs. High costs on the Ethereum network have plagued Uniswap and made the DEX too expensive for the average consumer. However, Polygon provides swaps that are far less expensive. Uniswap 3 is currently available on Arbitrum and Good Faith. Two additional Ethereum scaling solutions, however, these organizations only account for a small portion of the total value locked. Shibarium is a Layer 2 structure for the Shiba Inu, SHIB project in comparison to Ethereum, ETH. Its objective is to reduce gas expenses or exchange costs for all actions related to the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency project. Shibarium appears to solve the high gas costs that the Ethereum, ETH network faces for the Shiba Inu, SHIB cryptocurrency, especially now that people in charge of the project are delving deeper and deeper into the NFT space. Gas costs are a crucial part of trading NFTs since they determine how much you must pay to execute the deal, which on the ETH network means spending a lot. As one of the project's managers, Shikoshi Kusama, stated, Shibarium will give inexpensive exchange fees for any help, game, or other endeavors that are founded on top of it. Because in addition to the stage's regional projects, outside designers will approach this Layer 2 and build their Shiba Inu-related ideas on top of it. The bulk of the top 20 cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization have been enduring two-digit shortages throughout this month due to the tough conditions of the crypto winter. However, after a rough start, the cryptocurrency markets started to recover this week, with leading cryptocurrencies Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum ETH, both showing increases of about 3% over the last week. The winning altcoin over this brief period has been Polygon Matic, which dethroned the popular Japanese dog-themed picture coin Shiba Inu to claim position number 12 in the cryptocurrency rankings by market cap, SHIB. The murderous bears have failed to outperform Polygon Matic, which is trading at $0.861530 at the time of writing and has posted gains of 4.4% for the past 24 hours and 8% for the past week. Delivery, accessibility, and first adaptations for Shibarium. According to a previous post on the Unification blog, the company in charge of creating this Layer 2 structures, if everything goes according to plan, Shibarium's public beta testnet will launch in less than 40 days. Shibarium doesn't currently have a deadline for delivering authority. Even though there are now no specific dates in this fashion, it is usual for it to occur throughout the entire year 2022. The only thing that is technically known is that Layer 2's initial test versions will start to be delivered in the second half of the year. Shibarium contest is tough. According to CoinGecko, Polygon Matic had an overall market capitalization of $6,492,479,032 at the time of this distribution. However, the total market value of Shibarium is $6,129,400,000 $457,518. Clearing the number 12 spot is unlikely to be the end of the image coin wars, given that the DAI stablecoin has breached the $6 billion market value threshold. Finally, the 15th and 16th ranked coins, Tron, TRX, and Lido Warped Ether, lag behind the well-known currency with a dog motive by a little fraction of $1 billion. Shibarium is now trading at $0.00001029, according to CoinGecko. Despite being out of position, Shibarium has managed to hold out over a crucial opposing line, mostly thanks to the project's association with Google Cloud and the Shibarium consuming endeavors from the SHIB Armed Force. Taking everything into account, the image coin's total market valuation hasn't fallen below $6 billion since October 13, 2022. Shibarium is getting closer to being a genuine thing. Shibarium is another project from the creators of the meme coin Shibarium, who have had a year that has been among the most active in terms of releases. In this case, it is a layer 2 arrangement in the most perfect style of Polygon Matic, which, as is frequently the case with this kind of technology, looks to fundamentally lower the cost of using the project's tokens. Why you should think? Both Polygon Matic and Shibarium have received a substantial amount of public attention and might significantly hasten the adoption of cryptocurrency. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.